Here's the initial position of the upper incisor. So we can argue that it's over-erupted and over-proclined, and the final position that is desired is an intruded position with less proclination. So this is before, this is after. So the problem that we have in aligner therapy is how do we go from position initial to position final? Well, the best thing to do is to look at the way you can follow the movement, and this is what we have. So you can see that the tooth now is from initial position all the way to this position using these sequences of staging. Interestingly enough, you can see that the center resistance is following a line of force that has a slope but is linear. So you have to aim in your staging to get the CR to follow this blue line, which is easier. You could go up and down, but it makes the staging much more complicated. And we can also appreciate that the center of rotation is out of the tooth, which means that the force system will be a bit more complicated and will be a combination of a simple force and a moment of a force. You can overlap your sequential scans and see if you are actually doing what you're supposed to do, and if the center resistance starts moving away from the blue line, you can adjust your mechanics, and if there is too much tipping or not enough, you can also adjust the mechanics as you go. So I call this the constant refinement technique, and it looks a bit slower, but it's actually faster because you do not round trip the dentition. Thank you.